Welcome to the Daily Forkast, December 6th, 2021. I'm Megha Chadha of Forecast News, covering all things blockchain. Bitcoin dropped around 20% Friday, falling below the psychological $50,000 mark for the first time since early October. We'll take a look at what's happening across the markets and a whole lot more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Let's kick off with some of the top stories out of Asia today. First up, Terry Gou, founder of Foxconn, which supplies Apple's iPhones and one of Taiwan's richest men, says mainstream monetary finance cannot be decentralized. In a Facebook post clarifying comments made in an earlier interview, Gou said the crypto market is still highly speculative and that cryptocurrencies and NFTs need to be incorporated into the real economy in order to be integrated into people's lives. He also says it will take 5 to 10 years for the metaverse concept to mature, with a lot of room for improvement in the user experience at present. And staying in the metaverse, GameFi hits Japan, with popular mobile game Elemental Knights Online launching a new version called Gensokishi Online Meta World. Players will be able to purchase virtual land and edit their own creations, such as buildings, as well as trading and minting their own NFTs based on the game content. The full play-to-earn game is due to be released next summer, with a beta version available earlier. You can find those stories and more at Forecast.news. Over on the markets, an underwhelming US jobs report and ongoing concerns over the Omicron variant hit global stocks and bonds hard. And that had a knock-on effect on crypto over the weekend, with around $400 billion lost from the total market cap in less than 24 hours. While Bitcoin has stabilized since, the majority of the crypto market remained in the red Monday morning Asia time. Forecast News' Lachlan Keller has more.
Bitcoin lost more than $1 billion of its market cap over the weekend and was trading at a little over $48,500 Monday afternoon Asia time. While a single reason for the wide market downturn may have been difficult to pinpoint, one expert told Forecast News a confluence of factors could be at play, with embattled Chinese property giant Evergrande's announcement that it may be facing a restructuring just one of those. Andrew Sullivan told Forecast News he expects more weakness in the trading weeks before Christmas because funds which have made gains over the course of the year are now de-risking.
They're coming to the year end, they've done very well out of it, so you might as well lock in the gains and not have to worry about the next couple of weeks, and then let's start again in January sort of thing. It did kind of have a feeling of that sort of orientation.
Sullivan went on to say that while few Asian stock markets did well on Monday morning, Taiwan could outshine others if COVID cases rise, as its economy is dominated by tech manufacturing and shipping. While for crypto markets, he expects Bitcoin's role as a safe haven to increase.
I do think this year we've seen, gold underperforming because a lot more people have been happier to trade Bitcoin than they have gold as the hedge there.
Sullivan says Bitcoin will become part of a balanced portfolio, particularly with the cost of storing physical gold on the rise. For Forecast News, I'm Lachlan Keller.
Meanwhile, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has reportedly suspended the crypto exchange Bitget. Back in October, we reported on Bitget's controversial listing of Army Coin, named after BTS fans or Army. The band's management company was none too happy, and according to the Financial Times, the argument that arose has now resulted in Bitget's suspension. Forecast News' Timmy Shen reports.
BTS management company Hype said the Army coin had no connection with the band and threatened Bitget with legal action when it was advertised on the platform as a way of offering lifetime financial support to members of the band. Bitget services were available in Singapore until late November, but users there have now been blocked from accessing its app and website. And while no official announcement has yet been made, the exchange has now removed the Monetary Authority of Singapore's logo from its website, but still says it has licenses in Australia, the US, and Canada. Forecast News contacted both Bitget and the MAS for comment, but had received no reply at the time of recording. Singapore has emerged as a haven for crypto businesses in Asia and is home to a number of Chinese crypto entrepreneurs, including Changpeng Zhao, the chief executive of the world's biggest crypto exchange, Binance. For Forecast News, I'm Timmy Shan.
And that's the Daily Forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit Forecast.news. I'm Megha Chadha. Until next time.